Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths, term 2, lesson 1, number system. So how to represent a decimal number? Here 1 divided by 10. So 1/10 of a unit can be written as 0.1 in decimal notation. So 1 by 10 is, write the decimal notation is 0.1. And 1 divided by 100 is, write the decimal notation is 0.01. Then 1 divided by 1000 is, write in decimal notation 0.001 and so on. So the dot represents the decimal point and it comes between 1's place and 10's place. So next we find how to find the place value of the decimal digits of a number or tens. 1 by 10 is tens. And hundreds is 1 divided by 100 and thousands 1 divided by thousands and so on. Now I explain exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, the first sum is, write the decimal numbers for the following pictorial representation of numbers. So here the two pictures are given. In the first picture given 1 tens, 2 ones, then 2 tens. So we write the decimal numbers 12.2. The first subdivision is 12.2. So the second one, the pictorial representation of numbers is 2 tens, 1 ones and 3 tens. So we write the decimal numbers 21.3. So this is the solution for the first one. The second sum, express the following in centimeter using decimals. So the first sum is 5 millimeter. So change into the centimeter. 1 millimeter already we know. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. So here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10. Already we know, write the decimal form is 0.1 centimeter. So we write in 5 millimeter is equal to 5 divided by 10 centimeter. Then 5 divided by 10 is 0.5 centimeter. So this is the solution for the second sum in first subdivision. The second subdivision is 9 millimeter. So 9 millimeter change into the centimeter. Then first we write it 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter, that is equal to 0.1 centimeter. The same method we change into 9 millimeter. So 9 millimeter is equal to 9 divided by 10 centimeter. So we write it 0.9 centimeter. This is the second subdivision. And the third sum is, the second sum, third subdivision is given 42 millimeter. So 42 millimeter we change into the centimeter. Already we know 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. So 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. So the same model we change into 42 millimeter is equal to 42 divided by 10 centimeter. So 42 divided by 10 we have 4.2 centimeter. So 42 millimeter is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So this is the solution for the third one. Next, fourth one, given 8 centimeter and 9 millimeter. First we change into the millimeter into centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. So we change into 8 centimeter into 9 millimeter is equal to 8 centimeter plus 9 divided by 10. 9 millimeter is changed into 9 by 10 centimeter. That is 9 by 10 means 0.9. So 8 plus 0.9 is equal to 8.9 centimeter. So 8 centimeter and 9 millimeter is equal to 8.9 centimeter. So this is the solution for the fourth one. Next, fifth one is 375 millimeter. So we write it 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter, that is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So 375 millimeter is equal to, change into the centimeter, 375 divided by 10 centimeter, that is 37.5 centimeter. So 375 millimeter is equal to 37.5 centimeter. So this is the solution for the fifth one. In the third one, express the following in meters using decimals. So the first sum 16 centimeter, we change into the meters. Already we know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. So here given 16 centimeter. So 16 centimeter is equal to 16 divided by 100 meter. So 16 divided by 100, we have 0. We change into the decimal notation, 0.16 meter. So therefore 16 centimeter is equal to 0.16 meter. So this is the solution for the first one. In the second sum, given 7 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. So we change into the 7 centimeter is equal to 7 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.07 meter. So 7 centimeter is equal to 0.07 meter. So this is the solution for the second one. The third sum, given 43 centimeter. So already we know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. So we change into the 43 centimeter is equal to 43 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.43 meter. So the third one, 43 centimeter is equal to 0.43 meter. So 43 centimeter is changed into the decimal notation and 0.43 meter. The fourth subdivision, given 6 meter and 6 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. So 6 meter and 6 centimeter is equal to 6 meter plus 6 centimeter is changed into 6 divided by 100 meter. That is 6 plus 0.06, adding now 6.06 meter. So 6 plus 0.06 is equal to 6.06 meter. So 6 meter and 6 centimeter change into the meters using decimal. We have 6.06 meter. So this is the solution for the fourth one. So next fifth one is 2 millimeter and 54 centimeter given. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 centimeter, that is 0.01 centimeter. So 2 millimeter and 54 centimeter is equal to 2 meter, then 54 centimeter equal to 2 meter plus 54 divided by 100 meter. So 2 plus 0.54, we have 2.54 meter. So 2 meter 54 centimeter is equal to 2.54 meter. So dear students, today we learn about how to change into the decimals using centimeter and meters. Prepare well. Thank you.